Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter number 4, that is linear equation in two variables. Means we will have a linear equation in two variables. Till now we have studied linear equation of one variable up to class 8. In class 7, in class 6 we have studied how to form equations. In class 7th and 8th we have studied to solve a given linear equation. Suppose we have a linear equation in the form of ax plus b equals to 0. What we have equation? A linear equation ax plus b equals to 0. Now here in this question the value of x will be only 1. What? Here for this equation there will be a unique solution. What? For this given equation we will have a unique solution. That solution will be x equals to minus b upon a. What will be the solution? Here x will be minus b upon a. Whenever we, and one thing you remember, in linear equation what you are adding both sides. So this is left hand side, this is right hand side. What? This is left hand side and this is right hand side. One thing remember, if you are adding same thing in both sides, then the solution of the equation is not altered, means it is not changed. And second condition is when you are multiplying and dividing by same thing in a linear equation, then also the solution of that given equation does not change. Now coming to our topic, that is linear equation in two variable. Now what will be linear equation in two variable? Means two variable. Here there is only one variable, means here the value we are changing of only one variable, but now in the given equation we will have two variable. What? Two variable. Either you take a, x, y, anything, any alphabet, there will be two alphabet. So now here a, x, b, y plus c equals to 0. This is the standard form. What? This is the standard form of the two variable equation. What? Linear equation of two variable. A standard form. A standard form of two variables. What? Two variables. Sometime you will have given in the form of ax plus by equals to c. Now you have to change in a standard form, then you have to bring c this side, then ax plus by plus in bracket minus c equals to 0. This will be the standard form. Now moving on to related to questions what we have talked now. So coming to exercise 4.1, see what has been asked and what is not. So see exercise 4.1, what question has been asked in 4.1. Now question number first, exercise 4.1. In exercise 4.1, question number first is the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of pen. What condition is given? The cost of notebook is the twice the cost of pen. Write a linear equation in two variables. So first of all we will consider, let x be the cost of notebook. What? What we are considering, let x be the cost of notebook. and y be the cost of pen. Now, according to the question is what we have, the cost of notebook. The cost of notebook is equals to 2 into cost of pen. What? 2 into cost of pen. Now what we have taken the cost of notebook? Cost of notebook we have taken x. So x equals to 2 multiply y. So x equals to 2y is the equation when you will write x minus 2y equals to 0. Both are correct. Or x minus 2y equals to 0. Now moving to question number 2, you see, express the following linear equation. Express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. You have to express in the form of ax. Express the following equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So first I am writing the question number 2, all the equations. 2x plus 3y equals to 9.3 bar. Second question is x minus y upon 5 equals to 0. Minus 10. Minus 10 equals to 0. Third is minus 2x plus 3y equals to 6. Fourth, x minus 3y equals to 0. X equals to 3y. Fifth, 2x equals to minus 5y. Sixth, 3x plus 2 equals to 0. 7, y minus 2 equals to 0. And 8th is x equals to 2x. 5 equals to 2x. Now, we have to explain this equation in the form of ax plus bx. We have to represent in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0, and we have to tell the value of a, b, c. What we have to tell? Value of a, b, c. Now, coming to questions, see, first question is 2x plus 3y equals to 9.35 bar. When you will bring this to this side, it will become minus. So 2x plus 3y minus 3.5 bar. 5 upon bar equals to 0. Now compare this equation by this. So you will get a equals to 2, b equals to 3 and c equals to minus 9.35 bar. What will be the value? Value of a will be 2, b equals to 3 and c equals to minus 9.3 bar. Similarly, coming to question number second, this is first. Now second is x minus y upon 5 minus 10 equals to 0. We have to write ax plus b plus c equals to 0. So 5 is, now take LCM. What you will get? 5. Now 5x minus y minus 50 equals to 0. 5x minus y minus 50 equals to 0. What equation you have got? 5x minus y minus 50. Now what is the value of a? A equals to 5, b equals to 1, c equals to minus 50. Suppose we want to write directly from here, then here a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1 upon 5, b will be minus 1 and c will be minus 10. Why we are getting different value here? Here we are getting different value because we have taken LCM. Now moving to next question number third. Third is minus 2x plus 3y equals to 6, changing into minus 2x plus 3y minus plus 6 is there, so when it will come this side it will become minus 6. So here a equals to minus 2, b equals to 3, c equals to minus 6. But a will be a equals to minus 2, b equals to 3 and c equals to minus 6. Now question number 4. Fourth is x equals to 3y. Now bring here, so x minus 3y equals to 0. Here we are not c, so we can write x minus 3y plus 0 equals to 0. So a equals to 1, b equals to minus 3 and c equals to 0. What? C equals to 0. Now moving to question number 5th. What we have in question number 5th? C 2x equals to minus 5y. When you will bring minus 5y to this side, it will become plus. So 2x plus 5y. Now for C we have no value, so what we will write? Plus 0. What we will write? Plus 0 equals to 0. Now the value of a will be 2, b equals to 5, c equals to 0. What? A equals to 2, b equals to 5, c equals to 0. Now moving to next question number 6. What? Question number 6. 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Now in this question, what we have? In this question, we are missing y variable. We have only one variable. So how we will change this variable into two variable? Just add one variable, multiply by 0. We are adding 0, but with multiplying a variable by multiplying a variable. So when we will change into two variable, 3x plus 0 multiply y. We have taken 0 y, so 0 multiply y will be 0 plus 2. Plus 2 equals to 0. What we have changed into 3x plus 0 y plus 2. So here a equals to 3, b equals to 0 and c equals to 2. What we have got? A equals to 3, b equals to 0, c equals to 2. Now 5th and 7th. Y minus 2 equals to 0. What we have? Y minus 2. Again in this question x variable is missing. So what we will do? We will multiply x by 0 and we will transpose. 0x plus y minus 2 equals to 0. Now we have x and y minus 2 and 0. Now we can write very easily a, b, c, d. So a equals to 0, b equals to 1, c equals to minus 2. So we have written a equals to 0, b equals to 1, c equals to minus 2. Now moving to next question number 8 is 5 is equals to 2x. You can write this equation as into minus either 2x minus 5 equals to 0 and x minus 2 5 equals to 0, that is minus 2x plus 5 equals to 0. Now when you are taking 2x minus 5 equals to 0, here again is y is missing, so 2x plus 0y minus 5 equals to 0. So here the value of a will be 2, b equals to 0, c equals to minus 5. a की वैल्यू 2 है, b की वैल्यू 0 है, c की वैल्यू minus 5 है. अगर हम 5 minus 2x लेते हैं यानी minus 2x plus 5 equals to 0, इसको चेंज करेंगे तो minus 2x plus 0y plus 5 equals to 0. a की वैल्यू होगी 2 minus 2, b की वैल्यू 0 और c की वैल्यू minus 5. So we have completed exercise 4.1. Now we will look further topics. What are the givens?